Hey guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you all can see, I'm today barefaced without any makeup on. So guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing about Stay Quirky foundation. So let's get started. So guys, this Stay Quirky foundation retails for around rupees 165 and I'm in the shade Carry On Caramel, that is shade number 3, and you can always get it on discount at purple.com. So what does this foundation say is basically it is water resistant, blends effortlessly, lightweight, and it also contains vitamin E in it. So let me talk about the packaging. It comes with a pump which is very good, but the plastic on it is a little flimsy, but the bottle itself, I think it's hardcore plastic, which is good because even if I drop this foundation bottle, at least it will not break. So yeah, first I'm gonna be putting foundation on this side of my face so you can make out the difference between the two. So guys, as you can see that I have used almost half of the bottle of foundation, and I think it is a pretty low coverage foundation, but you can build it up. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna take a 1 pump of foundation. This is what 1 pump of foundation is, and I'm gonna put it on this side first. Guys, to blend this I'm gonna be using Vega sponges. I've cut these sponges in half because it is easier to apply like that. So this is what so guys, this is what the coverage is. It is pretty low coverage, even worse than BB cream. It blends easily, but it did not cover up my spot. So you can see that this side of the face and this side of the face, I'm gonna be layering it up one more time. So yeah. So guys, this is what it looks like. It did even out my face, but it still did not cover all my blemishes here this side. So yeah, that's a bummer, but yeah. So guys, let me put the foundation on this side too. Guys, I have applied the foundation on both sides. What I'm gonna do is basically put a little foundation on my blemish areas and leave it for around 30 seconds or 20 seconds. We'll see. So guys, now I'm going to blend it with my finger. So start with this. Just dabbing it a little bit, pushing it in basically. To see whether this foundation is water resistant or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this Goodbye Peppermint Facial Mist on my face and dab it with cotton to see whether the foundation comes off easily or not. So yeah, I'm going to just gently dab it. Yeah, it actually transfers. So guys, if you want a light coverage foundation, super affordable, and you just want to even out your face, you can totally buy this product. But if you want something that can hide your dark circles or blemishes, it is not the type of foundation you want to use. Lastly guys, I'm going to give you a quick swatch. If you want to buy this product, what is the shade basically? So guys, it has a yellow undertone, and this is what it looks like after blending it. So you can see the difference between. So guys, that is it for today, and if you liked my review about this foundation, do give it a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Bye.